All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We are going to be looking at a pharmaceutical, all right? Certain pharmas and, big pharma plays, small caps, even in the pharmaceuticals have been popping, all right? That's what's popping right now. If you look at ticker symbol MDVL, all right, it closed the day up 69%, all right? 6-9, no snitch, no rainbow hair, all right? Now, we do have a bunch of colors on the chart. I'm going to explain that real quick. And we'll go ahead and dive right into it. All right. It may look a little complicated, but if you're a beginner, just stick with me. All right. Here's what we're looking at essentially and what we want to focus on. All right. We'll make it a little bit bigger for y'all. So we have the Fibonacci's pulled up right now. Okay. And essentially, once we get past this blue line here, this 100% level, it's going to give you price targets. Okay. You see here, it says 161.8. 261.8, and then it also gives you the dollar prices over here, 2.05 and 2.8. Now, what I want you to focus on, all right, and realize is that these are going to give you take profit levels. All right, so a lot of times on my videos, what I like to do is I like to have the blue line as my breakout level, right? This is when you get into a play if you're not already into it for a trade, right? Not for long-term investing or anything, but if you're trying to day trade or swing trade, right? So, we see it come up here, all right? It goes past our breakout level, all right? And then our next price target that we want to take profits at is up here, all right? So we hit here, you take some profits here. We notice it does come up. All right, the rally continues. It comes up a little bit more and we fall back down. We fall back down and we hit our blue level again. All right, so now this is going to be a support level for us. All right, and we come back down, we break that level. All right, and we come back down again. And now we're testing these yellow levels. All right, so now you're looking, okay, are we going to bounce here and find support? Because I want to gain an entry either at the 78.6 level or the 61.8 level. If we hold support at these levels, then I can hop in my play, right? And what I mean by hold support is that these candles are opening and closing above these levels, right? So here the candlestick opens and closes above. All right, it did wick down. That's what this little line is, a wick, but we're not too focused. We're not too worried about those, right? So we wick down and then boom, we go past our breakout level and look at where the next candlestick closes, right at 205, which is our take profit zone, right? Then you see some people take profit, it wicks back down, and then we shoot back up again. And eventually we come up to the next bullish price target of 2.8. All right, so this has been a massive rally and a massive run up on MDVL. And it's been going across, kind of like the pharma sector as a whole. But if we look at the lows to the highs, in the past 8 days, this ticker has gone up 266%, right? Now, these are some pretty risky plays to get into currently, right? If maybe you aren't already in these, if you didn't get into it under $1, right? You don't want to be chasing it when it's $2.44 up over 100, 200%, right? That's how you can lose a lot of money. But what you can do is now you can start to look at these and chart them up, all right? Because the way that the Fibonacci's work is what you do is you start at your highs, right? And then you go to your lows. So you just draw a line from your high here to your low here, all right? So the low is 84 cents. Here was our high. And once we broke that high and made new highs, then that's when we can see that we're hitting our price targets, okay? So we're going to look at the 4-hour chart now. All right, and I'm going to show you the 4-hour Fibonacci price list. And we're just going to look at where this one has the potential to go, okay? So we did the same thing, all right? We have our high here, our most recent high, because this was our original Fibonacci levels we used to get our take profit zones, right? So we have our high here, we have our low here, all right? We have our yellow 786, our yellow 61.8 levels. These are going to be where you want to look for a re-entry, all right? If you're not in the play, you're going to want to see it do what it's doing right now. You see how we're holding support at the 786? All right, so as long as we hold support here at the 786, you can enter the play. And as long as the candlesticks are opening and closing above this level, we are going to creep up to the 100% level. And that's our breakout level that will take us, all right, up to here. 447 is going to be the 161.8 level. All right, and then above that, 6.72 is going to be the 26.18 level. All right. Now, it may seem a little far-fetched or maybe stretched or whatever you want to call it, to try to expect quick gains like this, but these are the levels that you need to pay attention to. Okay, we just looked previously at the 1 hour chart on the Fibonacci's of how we broke past our breakout level and we hit the first take profit level, and we also hit the second take profit level. So what we're going to do is we're going to monitor the situation, and we're going to see, all right, can we keep this momentum up? And for the momentum to keep up, we need to hold $2.06 or $2.23, right? Once we break $2.23 as a support level, and we're trading and the candlesticks are opening and closing below here, then we have the potential to head further down to these price levels, right? And this is where you may not want to be in it. So remember, no financial advice. Of course, this is just a little bit of education, information, entertainment to just try to expose you guys to some technical analysis and how to use the Fibonacci's. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. And also, if you guys want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, where you can gain access to all of our plays, our entries, our exits, things like that, use the link in the description. All right. There's a link in the description. You can use that to join. And if you use the code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, you'll get a discount on your membership.